Welcome back, everybody, to Southside Boy Style. It's right there, coming at you this way. You can buy this merch, by the way. Just look down below. Today, guys, we got a different kind of video coming at you, okay? A little bit different than the norm, but listen, in this channel, it's always going to be a little bit different. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to transform a rusted out, dirty looking rim into something that's nice, clean, shiny. And we're not even going to take off the tire. And I mean, look at all the mess of this, okay? It's a complete disaster. And guys, we're going to do all that with a pack of playing cards, guys. So with a pack of traditional playing cards, we're going to transform that rim into something really good. Listen, guys. This is a little trick that I learned, on the interwebs, as Derek would call it from Vice Grip Garage. I just Googlated the Googler, and I found out that this was what a lot of people do. So stay tuned, because this is going to be an interesting video. We're going to transform that yucky rim into something really nice. Stay tuned. So guys, the first thing that you have to do here is clean the rust and stuff and years of rotation off of the rim. To make it look good, you got to bring it down. We're going to use this thing here today, guys. That's what we're going to use for that. We're going to use this one right here to clean this up with. Let's begin. This is going to take a while. You never know. I may speed some of this up, and I may not. I'm not too sure yet. What I'm going to do next, guys, is I'm just going to give it a little clean on the tire, because once I show you the trick with the cards, well, can't take it back, right? So we're just going to wipe the tire down. Now, guys, this is just an old tire and rim for a trailer. I have two of them. Just going to show you the one, what I'm going to do with the card trick, okay? So I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just showing you guys how you can paint this rim so that you won't get no paint on the tire, okay? I know you Americans call it wheels and tires, but here in Newfoundland, Canada, we call it rims and tires. So you guys say wheels and tires, we say rims and tires, okay? That's all it is. It's all it is. It's the same thing, just different, okay? Next, guys, I'm going to give it some brake blast. We're going to put some of this on it to clean it up nicely so that I know when I do what I do, it's all going to work for you. There you go. That's it. Now I just took a cleaner rag, and I'm going to give it a wipe down. We don't want nothing on it that'll interfere with the primers we put. So we're just going to give her a wipe down. You know, guys, if you're liking this video, you can leave me a like and you can also subscribe. And you know what? You can also give thanks as well. I've been getting some thanks lately, people donating sometimes like $2, $4. I really appreciate that. It means a lot. So go ahead, feel free, help out the channel. It's what pays for everything that I do to show you guys how to do things. Let's get on with the video. Okay, guys, now it's time for the card trick. Yeah, I got some card tricks up my sleeve here. So this is what I do. And as you can see, I've done this many times before. Look at the paint on the cards, okay? Listen, I'm dealing with a full house here, okay? So guys, you take your card, okay? You just curve it a little bit and stick it right in the rim. You go right around like this until you circumference the entire area. And you'll notice the cards just do it. They just stick inside. You see that? And you just keep placing them. You just keep going around with it. You just keep placing the cards. Keep placing them in. They'll all fit. Don't worry. This works with any rim. Make sure you don't leave a gap, because if you leave a gap, it's going to be a place where primer or paint is going to want to go inside and hit the tire. You don't want that. We're not painting the tire. We're just painting the rim. And sometimes you might just have to fill in one in an area. If you think that paint might want to travel through, just go around it, check it, look at it, make sure there's no gaps. And then you're fine. So guys, that's that part of it done. Okay, guys. Now, let's take the high build primer. Now, this is just what I got here, okay? I'm just showing you how to do this, okay? So now you just take the primer, and you'll notice we're not getting nothing. Nothing is hitting the tire. Look at that. Painting the valve? Why not? Why not? Maybe the valve wanted some paint. Who knows? Who knows why? Give her a nice little run with the primer. Look at that. So guys, you want to let that primer sit for a while, okay? So let that primer sit, and as you can see, we got no paint on the rim, on the tire. So we're going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to come back and give it our first coat. Now guys, our first coat of black paint. This is the cheapest gloss black paint I could purchase, okay? I paid like $4 or $5 for this. For the video. See, I did it for you guys, so you guys can leave me thanks. Greatly appreciated. So we're just going to let it set for a minute, and I'll get back to you. Okay, guys, let's give it that first coat of that cheap black. I don't know, listen, this might be crap paint. I don't know. Listen, the video is just showing you how to not get paint around your tire, okay? Let's check it out. Oh, it's looking black. It's looking black. So they didn't lie about the color anyway. Listen, $4 or $5 a can. This could be anything. And there, guys, is your first coat. So we'll let that sit for a little while, and I'll get right back to you. Okay, we're back. We're going to give it a second coat. If I'm going to paint it black, it's just let it continue painting black, guys. And guys, that's all the coats I'm putting on that. Listen, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this before, but I'm actually kind of impressed. Now, it says color gloss black. Yeah. It's pretty good, guys. It's pretty good. I didn't even expect this was going to work, but like $5 a can, it actually did pretty good. Now, guys, we're going to take the cards out. Like I said, guys, I've used these cards so many times doing this. Now, you could ask yourself a question. Why am I doing it with cards? I did a short video that you guys can look back through and look at of this, and everybody said, why didn't you just use a garbage bag, cut the hole in the center, and then bring it around? Well, okay, yeah, I could have did that, but you know what? Whoever thought of doing it this way? Let's do it a little bit different. That's what I figured, so I figured I'd make a video and show you how to do it with a pack of playing cards, because honestly, when you look at a thumbnail and some guy is there standing out, pack cards saying transform, you know, and put the old rusty rim and tire, transform this into a nice finished and not get no paint around with a deck of cards. Who's going to believe that, right? So I figured we'd do a video. Let's be different. Let's take some tire shine and shine this bad boy up. I mean, it's looking pretty good, guys. Like, I'm kind of impressed, actually. So let's give her a little bit of shine here. I think it's this Foam's Day Off or something that's supposed to be coming from this can. Finding lately, things that you buy at like Canadian Tire stuff are not actually, I don't know, cutting it anymore. Listen, it might be just me. I don't know. I don't know. So we'll let that do its thing. So guys, look at that. Look at that. What a perfect job. You see? And we didn't touch the rim. It's nice and shiny now from using the tire shine. It's painted. No paint got on the tire. And listen, we used a deck of cards, okay? So listen, it's not always about the full house here. It's about what you can do within the house. Well, guys, I think that came out pretty good. All we used was a deck of cards, and I'm going to keep, listen, the thing about the garbage bag is you got to throw it away, right? This deck of cards, I'm just going to put it back in the case, and we can use this on so many more projects. I've already used it a dozen times. That's it for this video. Listen, it's a little bit of a joke video, okay? I get it. I get a deck of cards. Why didn't I use a garbage bag? I just did it for fun. But you know what? It actually worked. It actually worked. Come on. I mean, it worked pretty good, too. We got no paint on the tire. Tire looks good. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate everybody that subscribes to this channel, everybody that leaves a comment, everybody that leaves a like, and I even respect the people that leave the dislikes. It's all good. It's all good. It's all for the algorithm. And if you feel like it, you can leave me a like. If you feel good about the video, you can subscribe. Maybe you'll see something else funny and silly. Maybe you'll learn something by fixing a car that won't cost you money. There's also merch down below that you guys can check out. There's, you know, you can give thanks, all those things, blah, blah, blah. You can find me. Listen, I have a Facebook page now, and the Facebook page is obviously Southside Boys Style. That's the Facebook page. You can find me there, and you can follow me on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram, all those places, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. As so many other people say, the Facebookers, the Instagrammers, and the YouTubeanubinators. We can't forget those guys. So guys,
Southside Boy Style is out.